So guys, now after having having a breakfast and waffles which I made, now we have come to New Hampshire, which is a tax-free state in the United States. So here we have thought of buying an app. We have come to an Apple store in the new mall of New Hampshire, in which it's pretty big one. So here there's an Apple store, and let's see if they give us tax-free or not. So yeah, let's go.
I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated.
So guys, here we have bought the iPhone 16 Pro for 256 gigabytes. So yeah, here we go for the unboxing. The upper one. This one. Sorry. And there we have our iPhone 16 Pro. You have to remove it from it. Wow.
I did it the reverse. I mean, that's fine. We'll figure that one out. We just need the...
So that's the first start of our phone. Yeah, there we go.
Grace, how much would the screen?
So guys, here we bought a bottle which is made in India from Walmart for around $30. Man.
From Walmart.
And that too for $30.
No, it's not 30.
But yeah, we'll add the edit of Moe Moe over here.
Someone is walking with all the dream come true shopping. What say? How do you feel?
1 second, show that bag.
What are you going to do with the bag?
No, this is your dream come true.
It's not a dream come true. Please.
She wants
This is nothing. So how do you feel?
Gucci.
Yeah, it was expensive, but it was a necessity, so we bought it.
Yeah.
It's for a school,
So we have a good behavior back home.
Yeah.
Expectations. Too
No.
much expectations.
Good marks.
Huh?
Good marks.
Good marks. I hear that.
Yeah.
You getting recorded, okay?
Yeah.
So we see it having it delivered the right way. I'm not demanding you to be a good goodie, but yeah, you are the lucky one. So do it right. That's it.
So guys, as you all saw today, we went to New Hampshire, which is a non-tax state in the United States, and the only state, there are only 5 states in the United States which are tax-free. So I'll put it down here so you all can see which all states are there. Here you all can see. So now, as I told you all, we are here to purchase a lot of Apple products, and we also did the unboxing like my mom did for the iPhone 16 Pro, 256 GB, desert titanium color. And like every country we go, there's at least one unboxing video which we do, and around a tech video which we do. So we also bought a MacBook. For the first time I bought it in my life. So this is a MacBook M3 chip, MacBook Air M3 chip, 512 GB, 16 GB RAM, and 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU. So you can have all the details out here. So we have bought this from New Hampshire again. So this was for $1,299, which is around 1,05,000 rupees. So in India, when you go to buy this, like when we checked out there on Amazon, it's for 1,22,000, which would be around $1,400 to $1,500 in middle of that. So yeah, it was another great deal. And we also traded in our iPhones. So like you all would have seen the one which we bought from Vietnam for my mom, in which we had surprised. So like I'll put the thumbnail over here, and also do go watch that vlog if you all haven't. So we sold that phone for $500. So this iPhone 16 Pro which we unboxed costed us $599. So which is not a bad deal if you use a phone for 2 years. And then we also sold my phone for trade-in for $120 and got this iPhone 16 Pro 128GB. Again, the same color, desert titanium. So that we'll unbox afterwards. First, I'm extremely excited for this MacBook Air. So let's go for it. So let's go and unbox it. So first we open this. Wow. Like this is an enlarged version of this, so you again get an amazing experience of unboxing it. And I've got a habit of opening boxes nowadays, so especially from Apple. So yeah, we are now a total Apple family. We bought a watch and all, AirPods and all. So now let's open this. Wow. So yeah, here's our MacBook
Artlist.io.
Air M3 chip. So yeah.
Qué rico. Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, so here we have got our MacBook out. So we also had an option for MacBook Pro, but I didn't find that to be like that great. So we bought Air only. So now let's open it. Wow. So like this is the brand new one which Apple released in January 2024. And mostly an M4 chip is also coming in January 2025. So yeah, here we have unboxed our MacBook, and wow, amazing it looks. We took the black color variant. There was also space gray, but I feel this one is better. And yeah, so this is our phone also. We'll unbox the other one next, like afterwards. So yeah, let's start this and see if it works or no, and log into our iCloud. So guys, now let's open this. Man, wow, we got to open this also. Wow. Okay, so now let's start with the startup. My dad will do all that, not me. So once we are done with the startup, mostly we'll open this Masterpiece 2. Let's see. This Masterpiece 2 also, which we have.
The next day.
So, yesterday we bought this iPhone 16 Pro 128GB for my son, the small travel angel, Mr. Param Narang. Just let's try opening it. I've never done an opening of an iPhone till today. I'm doing it for the first time. So hope it's a good experience for me. My son wanted me to do it. He wants me to experience how the feeling is to open an iPhone.
Like
product,
yesterday
Apple product.
Yeah. Yesterday, my mom did the opening of her phone, so I was like, I've always done the unboxing. Yeah, here we go. That feeling when you open the box is different.
See, it gets a tick sound,
Yeah.
and that really satisfies you.
So now let's. What are you doing, man?
Okay, so
So
here
now
we
let's
go.
open.
So here's the phone from which all the vloggings that you would be getting on our channel, the Small Travel Ranger, is going to be shot on this phone.
Okay.
This phone is a very precious phone, and we need likes, subscriptions from you so that we can get more content, more audible and edible content for you guys. This phone is going to do the magic. Trust me. So we switch it on for Mr. Param Narang.
You have to do it from here.
All right, so the phone is on, and as you know, that this phone has also got a camera capture button, and the action button is already there, so no need to say.
And we
about
got the
it.
desert titanium,
Yeah, we have got the desert titanium,
which is the flagship color.
the flagship color of the iPhone 16 Pro, and even small Travelinger's mother has bought the same color, but that's in 256 GB. Well, when you come to US, you save so much when you buy an iPhone, so it's better. It like you spend 70,000 for your air ticket, and you save so much on your iPhone that you land up coming almost for free to the United States.
Well, we didn't get the air ticket for 70,000.
It's okay. I'm just saying it.
Okay.
And plus, let me tell you the best part about
I
this.
said that, yes.
This phone is absolutely tax-free from New Hampshire. Now, there are 5 states, like Alaska is also one of the states, where you can get it tax-free. Trust me, you save a lot. Just book a ticket now to the states, come to Boston, take a car, go to New Hampshire, get your iPhone products, and save it. And there you go. Your trip is absolutely free. You just pay your hotel stay. That's it. Yes, do it, man. Do it. So here we go. It's hello.
So now let's do the setup
Okay.
game.
So we do the setup and get back to you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.
Artlist.io